Say what you need to say. Say what you need to say. Say what you need to say. Say what you
Good evening to each and everyone. I am very happy that this day has come, the celebration of our seminary days, and that I am also very happy that I have been a part of this event. First of all, I would like to thank you for sharing this wonderful night with us, and without you, our celebration would be meaningless. And I would also like to thank our promoters for giving us this chance to showcase our talents and to the continuous support they have given us. I would like to thank our founder, St. Alphonsus, from whom we would like to offer this event, this celebration, and especially to our ever-loving Father for giving us the gift of life, the gift of friendship, and for giving us this wonderful night, this wonderful weather to celebrate our seminary days. And I hope that you enjoy celebrating with us, have fun, and cherish the moment.
Good day! Hello Philippines! Hello world! Hello Madlang people! Thank you for being with us tonight, for supporting us in our seminary activity. Thank you to our teachers and professors who develop our academic talents. Thank you for our nanays, tatays, atis, kuyas in Apostolate area. And thank you to our formators who form us. And thank you to our Mother Perpetual Help. And especially thank you to our founder, St. Alphonsus. And di pa nagtatapos ang lahat ng yan. May sorpresa pa ako sa inyo. Isasayaw ko pa ang message ko. Music! Dito mabubuo kung wala kayo dito. Thank you.
Greetings to all. As we pondered and conceptualized our seminary days, I remembered a Chinese proverb which goes, when a man is eating a bamboo sprout, remember the man who planted it. Sacrilege or St. Alphonsus Collegiate Formation House having gone this far, and yet today we still stand, it calls for celebration, a thanksgiving to be exact. Because this time wouldn't come without you, without the people helping us, and of course to God, who is there everything, even if everything else fails. For 33 years, or more, even more, the sacrilege still stands, and yet it stands even better. So now, we are proud to bring you St. Alphonsus Collegiate House Seminary Days 2010. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
say what you need to say. 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 Walking like a one man.